The next chapter that we are going to discuss in our reasoning is that is coding and decoding. First of all, we have to understand the meaning of what is coding and what is decoding. So, what is coding? Coding is the method of writing a message in a secret way. If you want to convey your message to another person in a secret manner, then you will be using that method of coding. Okay, you want that you are in between, you want to convey some message to your friend and you don't want that someone in between don't know anything about the message that you are conveying. So in that case we are using the method of coding. It means you are coding your message in such a way that another person is not able to decode it, not able to understand it. Only that person is able to understand it, to whom you want to convey the message. Okay, so now what is decoding? Let's suppose this is one person and this is the another person. Okay, you want to send some message to the second person S2 and you don't want that in between any person know the message that you are conveying. So you will be using the method of coding. Now whatsoever message you had sent to S2, at its end S2 has to decode it, means he has to understand the meaning of the message that you had sent to him. Okay, so coding and decoding. Coding means you are sending the message in a secret way to another person, and as decoding means you are changing back that message to the original form. Okay, so types of the coding that you will be using in this chapter are letter coding, direct letter coding, number coding and substitution coding. We will be doing all these things in this chapter. Okay, so let's start. So in your exercise, if Madras is coded as NBESBT, what should be the code for Bombay? Now you can see from here, Madras, here it is Madras, it is coded as NBESBT. You can see from here that each of the alphabet is coded as the next alphabet in the alphabet series. Okay, if we will see the alphabet series, it is A, B, C, D and so on. M is coded as N, means next alphabet. Okay, then A is coded as B, it means the next alphabet. D is coded as E, R is coded as S, and A is again coded as B and S as T. It means each and every alphabet is coded as the next alphabet in the series. So now it is asking Bombay. So how you will be coding the Bombay? Now after B we know in the alphabet series comes C, after O it comes P, after M it comes N, and B, C, A, B and Y, Z. Okay, it means here we are using the next alphabet in the alphabet series. Okay, so Bombay will be coded as CPN, CPZ. Okay, so now if triple is coded as SQHOOKD in a certain language, then how would dispose be coded in that language? Same process is used here. That T, if you can see from here, T is coded as S. T is coded as S. It means the previous alphabet we are using of the number series. We are using the previous alphabet. T is coded as S. Okay. R is coded as Q. R is coded as Q. Okay. I is coded as H. Okay. Then P will be coded as the previous alphabet, means O. Okay. So it means we are using the previous alphabet in the alphabet series. Now for the dispose, DISPOSC, how it will be used. Okay. So D will be replaced with C, the previous alphabet in the alphabet series, that is your C. Okay, I will be H, the previous alphabet. Okay, and then your, what is the alphabet here? S. Before S we know what it is coming in the alphabet series, R. Okay, so when you will be doing in this manner, you are getting dispose will be coded as CHRONRD. Okay, code is coded as BNTKC, and margin, MARGIN, is written as this. What it is? It is written as LZQFHM. Okay, so you have to tell MOULDING how it will be coded. Okay, so now you can see from here C is again the previous alphabet in the alphabet series. C is coded as B. Okay, O is coded as N. Okay, U is coded as T. Okay, L is coded as how? K. Okay, so means again the previous alphabet in the series we are using. So now we have to tell for the molding. Now we have to check the previous alphabet in the alphabet series for it. M will be coded as, yes, the previous alphabet is L. Same will be applying for all the alphabets here. Okay, so ultimately we are getting it L N T K C H M F. Okay, now in the next question, if animal is written as BOJ and BM, okay, then how will will be written in that language? If you can see from here, each and every alphabet is placed with the next alphabet in the series. A is coded as B, N is coded as O, I is coded as J. Okay, now T. T will be coded as U. Okay, I will be coded as J. G will be coded as H. It means the next alphabet in the alphabet series. Okay. Now the question number 5. In a certain language, people is coded as ELPOEP. Then what will be the code for human? Okay. So now see, people. People, it is written here people. We are not changing. We are not just switching to the next alphabet in the alphabet series. But you can see from here, this complete word will be changed as reverse. Reverse it will be used. Okay, it is like this. Now for the coding we will be doing the reverse of it. Now it will be ELPOEP. Okay, it is as ELPOEP. We are just reverse the whole word here. Okay, so human, for coding the human, it will be reversed NAMUH. So what will be the answer? NAMUH. Okay, so now question number 6 to question number 10 will be the homework. You have to try the question number 6 to question number 10 your own. Okay, in case of any doubt you are free to ask. Thank you.